How you can copy your profile link in the GitHub. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can copy your profile link into the GitHub. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and log in into your account of the GitHub. So now once you are logging here, you have to click on this profile icon that is in the top right corner, and from here you have to go in the your profile. Now once you are in the your profile here, what you have to do is simply copy this URL that is in the top, and here you have to press the Ctrl+C and you are able to copy the profile link. Now here you can use this link as you want, like if you go in the new tab, and here you can just have to paste that URL that you previously copied, and here you are able to open it. So this is how you can copy your profile link into the GitHub. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.